So I'm on my way to make my semi-permanent nails again, because I switched to more natural nails, but I'm not pleased with my nail health. They are brittle, fragile, but I had them always. It's not for gel polish or this type of semi-permanent nail. I have brittle nails. So like I told you, I'm on my way to get my nails done, because now they are a mess. So I want to have nice nails on Women's Day, which is on 8th March, 2 days since now. So I will take you with me to do my nails. So I wanted to keep it natural, but on my nail case I can't, because like you see, they are a mess. They are brittle, they are fragile. Maybe with some treatment I can revive them, but sincerely I don't have so much time to do this type of treatment and the patience to recover my nails. So these are my nails now, a mess, guys. Is this part of the rest of semi-permanent from the last month, so they are a mess. I did my nails, such a lovely feeling of having beautiful nails again. I choose some very nicely pink, so I'm happy with my my new nails. I like this time of year, because the nature is blooming again, and we also have a lot of greenery. This makes me feel so happy, and I want to soak in all that sunny days that we have today, because in the next day it's supposed to be colder and with some cloud. I like so much this type of spring flower. I don't know how it calls, but they're amazing. So fragile with this purple color. A lot of this type of flower, and I enjoy just to walk and to see them.